Welcome. Let's go over our daily challenge for day 10. The intention today is heal. This is a powerful exercise. I hope all of you will do it. I really, really do. It might make you feel a little bit uncomfortable, but I promise it's so powerful. What you're going to do to heal, you're going to write down 10 things, minimum, 10 things that you love about yourself, okay? Part 1. Part 2, you're going to share it with someone out loud or online. I'll give you a little bit more info, but I want you to share that. So I want you to make a full list of qualities, things about who you are that you really appreciate and really love. Already that might be very uncomfortable and maybe feel like a struggle. Please push through it. Do your best. Write it down. I promise you there is a bunch about you that is worthy of being celebrated, recognized, and honored. And that's why you're going to share it. So you can do this in person, maybe with family and friends, reading them your list. Let them know I'm doing this challenge with Yoga with Kassandra and I want to read this out to you. If these are good people in their life, they're going to recognize that the things you wrote down are true and they're going to want to celebrate that with you as well. You can also choose to share it in our Facebook group for the students doing this challenge. Maybe that'll be a little bit easier. Sometimes it's easier to share with strangers on the internet than it is to share with people that we know and love in our daily life. So you're welcome to share it that way as well. You can even just list it in the YouTube comments or in the comments in the mobile app. Just write it out. And for those of you who are sharing it in this way, I want you to read what other people are writing and I want you to really recognize, honor, and celebrate them, right? So give them praise for stepping out of their comfort zone and sharing it with them and acknowledge that, yes, these are all amazing things about themselves. So it's a pretty simple daily challenge, but it can also be kind of hard. So hopefully you'll do it. I really, really hope that you just trust this process. Write it out and share it with someone that you trust, someone who is a safe space for you, or just share it online with us and we will be your safe space. We will celebrate and honor you and we will do this together. It'll be fun. Trust me, just go with it. Okay, I'll connect with you again tomorrow for the next daily challenge.